Does your house have a room that used to be a garage, carport, or a covered patio? If so, it's probably the most miserable room in your house. Am I right?
Today, we are injecting our Stellrr blown insulation into this cathedral ceiling. During our home performance diagnostic consult, we did thermal imaging and drilled an inspection hole. We discovered the insulation was not performing right because there was no insulation. Often in these porch or garage conversions, the remodeler completely skips the step of installing insulation. If your house is uncomfortable, give us a call today. We fix uncomfortable homes.